today I'm playing Blind Bow Shooting Master, so let's play. Let's start. Oh, it's just online versus people. I don't think anybody actually plays this game, so I'm guessing on their computer. Okay, they start. Oh, it's one of these games. You have to shoot the other person.
Fire!
Ah, you missed. Okay. Hold the slide and aim. Okay. It's not blind though.
Fire!
Oh, headshot. Ooh, I got double headshot. Nice. What's that barrel on top?
Fire!
Oh! Wow. A rocket?
Fire!
Oh, I missed! Oh my god, that was so bad. I just wasted.
Fire!
He missed again. Oh, thank goodness.
Fire!
Nice. Oh, I wonder what that dynamite is on top. What? Just get a sharp web? That's so weird. This is like another... What was the other game? This is like a knockoff of that other game that I... don't know what that...
Fire!
Oh. That was easy. I gotta go for that first time.
Fire!
You missed, my guy.
Fire!
Oh! I missed, just missed a little bit.
Fire!
You missed again, bro. You're suck.
Fire!
Dang. Oh, that was a headshot, man. This is such a knockoff of that other game that I can't remember. We got 200 coins a shop. So I can do like that. Not enough coins. Okay, I don't have enough coins. Let's play again. But this is such a knockoff of that other game. Let me see if I can find it. No, it's such a knockoff of the other game. Pretty much the same concept, except better. Oh, it's the same as type of ship again. So you got Superman
Fire!
style. Oh, second. I'm going like full power.
Fire!
Ooh, second. I'm going for the barrel. Oh, it's Superman now shooting.
Fire!
Ah, let's go. He's still alive.
Fire!
Nice. Why is there a bird there?
Fire!
Suck.
Fire!
Ooh, I just sniped him. I'm going with full power. Oh, he can move. He's gonna miss.
Fire!
See? I'm still gonna go for like,
Fire!
ah. At least I hit something. Like I said, it's such a knockoff of the other game, which I don't remember.
Fire!
Snipe. That was too easy. Can I get anything in the shop? These are like 100, but I don't really care. Let me play one more round. It's really boring. Please be a different type of ship. Yeah, let's go to a different type of ship with a different guy. Oh shit, is the rivals go first? Seriously?
Fire!
Oh, that may be good. Oh, he missed. I'm gonna go for that barrel, which doesn't seem to exist this time.
Fire!
Good shot. Sniped. Ooh, I hit the back thing there. Let me send actually draw the same line, but slightly lower.
Fire!
Oh, damn! I headshotted him. Still got Superman and old ass
Fire!
guy, old ass cool guy.
Fire!
Man, that guy's dead. Oh, this is too easy. You're the miss, boy. You're just a little baby.
Fire!
Oh wait, he actually hit me. Ow. Shark. Going full power.
Fire!
What? I just hit myself, bruh.
Fire!
I just still killed myself.
Fire!
Oh, I gotta stop doing that. I killed the other guy. If I lose this, it's gonna be like the ultimate choke.
Fire!
And I lost. So, hope you enjoy. Please watch more.